Alrighty, everybody. Welcome back again. New viewers, hello. Thank you for clicking. Thank you for giving me the time of the day. I know as the uploads aren't as frequent as they were. I know I was hot in the beginning doing daily postings and everything. But realistically, in the real world, cards are expensive. Cards are hard to come by. Today, I had a hunch and I went to a vending machine, a Pokemon vending machine. And surprise, they're actually for the first time in the vending machines, I was able to get Surging Sparks packs. Usually those are sold out. And I just went ahead and grabbed 2 booster boxes of Paldean. I didn't empty the machine out. I was like, let me just get a little bit, just to keep it budget friendly. And went to a dollar store and picked up this tin. Because y'all know in these tins, Lost Origins and Silver Tempest. I was like, okay, whatever. Oh, yeah, by the way, Dollar General stores, if you're lucky, have Astral Radiance and Silver Tempest blisters because on clearance, because they're trying to get rid of those, get those out of rotation. So heads up for anybody. All right, we're going to skip the boring part of unpacking everything. I'm going to try to open up all these packs on this video. And see you soon. All right, my bad, slight error. I forgot that tin contained Brilliant Stars in Silver Tempest. So here we go. Variety pack opening. I'm just gonna start small. The Brilliant Stars hit again. I'll try to remember to try to put edits up for the cards that I actually want from the sets. But we want to get the Charizard V. I know I didn't do the anticipation pulls because, again, actually I have the code there. Anybody, whatever. Silver Tempest, I think, goes without saying. We want the Lugia. Lugia is such a cool Pokemon. Sleek design. Again, 2 Silver Tempest packs. And nothing. Okay. This isn't what we're primarily here for. Otherwise, I would have got a whole bunch of Silver Tempest packs. Just my luck, the Lugia would have been in one of the blisters that I saw and didn't get because I wanted to see if they had Paldean. Monwild V. Okay. Captain Pretty Chill. We haven't opened Surging in about a month, so I'm actually going to save that for last. It's been so long since I was able to get Surging. I don't know how long it's possibly been. Well, I can't find it in any of the big stores. In passing, if I decided to go into Walmarts and everything, there was absolutely... Oh, yeah, let me get that energy. There's absolutely no Surgings in the front. So the vending machine, I guess I got lucky. Probably low traffic area. Oh, Shiny Raichu. I think I have that. I think I have Shiny Raichu. But hey, first pack, Paldean, Shiny. Again, I tried to refrain from, emptying out the vending machine. I only did 10 Surgings and then just 2 boosters. Nimona. The one thing I learned with Paldean is since it doesn't have a lot of full arts and IRs, it makes sense why I do get a lot of duplicates and stuff. The main takeaway from this set is supposed to be the shiny Pokemon, so I'm not going to be as bummed getting all the duplicates that I always tend to get as far as the IRs go. That might be like the 3rd shiny Wigglytuff, though. I won't lie. Pretty brutal. Like I said, I'm pretty sure I have that Raichu. We already seen the Mona 100,000 times. And I'm pretty sure that's my third or fourth Wigglytuff. So, just wanted to have a little something, you know. Because I miss doing this. You know, it's a little side hobby, just opening up, collecting. I enjoy the idea of taking it a step at a time. Filling out the missing spots in the binder. While this is still available and not out of print, I assume, because it's still Scarlet and Violet era, would still like to pull the more expensive cards, so I don't have to worry about buying it single just yet. I just think it's so much more entertaining that way. Haven't seen a shiny in a second, have we? Which is okay, because, you know, I didn't get a whole bunch of packs, so the odds of getting... odds of getting anything were going to be slim. I think I could have bought a total of 10 booster boxes if I wanted to, but that's just like, nah. Nope. Ooh, yes. That was a cool one. I like that one. Finally. Full art, or no, illustration rare. Clive. That one is so sick. Look at that. All the characters in like little chibi mode. That's cool. Okay, cool. I got that one. Nice. That was actually really sick. It almost looks like I never played Animal Crossing, but it gives Animal Crossing vibes. I'm actually happy. Hold on, let's bring that closer to the foresight so y'all can enjoy that. I'm not gonna gatekeep that from y'all. That looks nice. Look at that. I know trainer cards don't get a lot of love, but you got, like, that's probably one of the cooler ones, or just cuter ones. Shiny Lechonk. Sweet. Doesn't look familiar. And last, Paldean. We got something different. That's all that matters. This was a win. This was a win. Shiny Kilowattra. I'm pretty sure that's different too, so that's sweet. All right. Okay, Paldean Fates. Averaged me the same old, except for that. That cloud, that's highlight. All right, let's go ahead and get surging. Let's see if I can get any other illustrations that I don't already have from surging. It's been about, I want to say it's been about almost 2 months since I opened surging, because I don't think I did any surgings in December. If I got videos posted of surging in December, it was definitely in November when I opened them and just kind of recorded everything in a certain order. So this is quite literally the first Surging Sparks products that I've seen in so long. So the basic cards that I needed was still Reverse Hololatios, Reverse Simisear, reverse Vivillon, reverse Vigoroth, reverse Chestnut Berry, or was it Pekka Berry?
Passion. And then you also need a reverse Armorous.
So that goes with that. And yeah, Glamora. Now I'm looking at Glimmer and Palkia since I just saw them. And that'll do for the basic common Pokemon, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe I'll have to just buy those separately, because since it's such the search is so narrowed down to them, it would probably see I need him as reverse. Since the search is so narrowed down, it would probably be just, it'll make more sense to buy those cards single, because they're probably like a couple of cents, probably like nothing expensive at all. Only thing I get enjoyment in is, of course, opening the packs for the chance of, at least getting the basic Pokemon, but getting the expensive cards out the way as a pool would be cool and more cost effective than buying like a Pikachu card for $500 and going for thousands of dollars at a PSA 10 or whatever. It's crazy. Absolutely crazy. Oh yeah, I think I needed a Stadium as a reverse as well. So far, Surging is a dud. Like I said, one reverse would have been nice. It's just such an oh yeah, ooh. I can't remember if I have this one or not. I don't think I do.
It doesn't look familiar.
All right, Slackoth. Cool. Okay. I can't complain. I actually thought that card was, y'all know me, I like the simple. At times, like, I'm a sucker for the simple, less is more. Okay. Second to last. What the heck is that in my hand this whole time? That's crazy. Okay. So Surging only had offered Slackoth illustration, which was okay. Like I said, could have absolutely got nothing, right? So that's what y'all need. So I'm seeing all the Pokemon. I've seen all the Pokemon I need reverses of. So that's kind of another Sylveon EX. That's probably 7th. Ain't that something? All this Eevee talk with Prismatic. And we ended with the evolution. Alright, so here we go. Those packs offered. This was the highlights. This one I say was a big one. That one's really sick. I really like that one. Not much to show with Slackoth here, but he's chilling. All right. Thank you all for watching. If you made it this far, I'm going to stream on Twitch. I should have had the link put up in the YouTube About page of mine. And when the pack openings become dry, then I'm going to also stream, I'll keep it Pokemon. I'm going to stream Pokemon a little bit. Some games I haven't played. Look really interesting. Come join if you like. Got something really cool set up for some interaction. Won't spoil it. But yeah, let's just say, you can interact with me with Pokemon and try to collect some Pokemon even. So if you're interested in that, consider joining my Twitch, following my Twitch. Thank you for all watching. Send a like. Consider subscribing if you enjoyed. And I will see you all next time. Alrighty.